Good morning, children. You must be wondering, you must be seeing a lot of items here. You must be wondering, I told you no, I'll be coming back to do some exciting activity today. Something, a new concept I'm going to begin, right? So, I've got a lot of things here. You must be wondering why ma'am kept so many things now. Now, any guesses as to what we might be doing? We did it last year also in class 1. Any guesses? Any guess? I think I'll give you a clue. I'll show you one item which will probably tell you what we are going to do. What sign do you see here? Right, it is a plus sign. Where do we use the plus sign? What are we going to do when we are using the plus sign? What do? We add, right? So children, we are going to do addition facts today. Can you see the addition facts? I put addition facts on the top. So we are going to be doing the addition facts today. Okay. Remember in class 1 we used to play. I used to put 2 circles on the ground and I used to call one at a time, one child, and then I used to call 2 children, then 3. When we did number 3, I used to call 3 children. When I did number 4, I used to call 4 children. And I used to make you stand in the 2 circle, right? You used to stand and bring out the addition facts yourself, right? Do you remember that? Now many of you, I have taught most of you, so you must be remembering. So we don't have a circle here. I have put 2 boxes for you. Okay, and I'm going to be placing, you are not there, no? If we are doing it in the school, I would be calling you to stand here, but unfortunately, we cannot come to school now. So we have to teach like this. So I have brought some items. Okay, so we'll start with number 1. We have to start with number 1. Do you remember also one thing I used to tell you about 1? 1 का कितना आंसर आता है? I used to always tell you ना, 1 का there should be only 2 answers, and for 2 we will have 3 answers, for 3 we will have 4, and for 4, number 4, we will have 5 answers. So let us just revise that. Okay, so now I have got one monkey. Okay, ape or monkey, whatever you may call. I am going to put it in, it's only 1, so we are going to talk about number 1. So I am going to put him here. Okay, now here I put him, and this place, what happens to this place? This place, there's nothing, it's empty because there's only 1 person. How can he go and stand in both the squares? It's not possible, no. So he will only go and sit at one place. So he is sitting in one place, that place. So this place is vacant. So what has happened to this place? That means this is 0. This is 0. Okay. So this becomes 0 and here is 1. So it is 0 and 1. So we are doing the addition facts of 1, no? So it's 0 and 1. Now remember when I used to teach you, I used to always say that 1 slot is filled, only 1 person is there. So what will you do? I used to say adla badli, adla badli. Do you remember? Switch place, switch place. So you used to switch places. So now this monkey has come to this side, and I used to say, no, there are 2 parks. So let's make it to a park. This is 1 park and this is the other park. Okay, so he's come to play in this park now. So this park is khali, empty. So what number does it come then? What is it? It will be 1. This is 1 and this is nothing, 0. So it's 1 plus 0. So number 1 will have only 2 answers, which is 0 and 1 and 1 and 0. Okay, so we have got 0 and 1 and 1 and 0. Can we make it in another way? No, there is no one else. So now 1, we are done with 1. Addition facts of 1 will be 0 and 1 and 1 and 0. तो एक का आई यूज टू से ना, एक का 2 आंसर आएगा तो 2 ही आंसर आए, 0 + 1 and 1 + 0. So we'll put away this. Now okay, let's go to 2. So I'm going to take now for 2, I'm going to call 2 elephants. So elephants will come, and one elephant is standing in this park and one elephant is standing in this park. So we are now talking about 2, number 2. So how do we get number 2? 1 and 1. Now this one is also alone and this one is also alone. So he is calling his friend to come and play with me. So he is going to the other park. He is going to the other park and they both are playing together. 2 elephants playing together. So there is nothing here. So what does it become? 2 and what? 2 and 0 and 2. We have 0 and 2. This is the middle one. 0 and 2. Okay. So earlier it was 1 and 1. 1 plus 1. 1 and 1. Now he is going to play with him. So that is 2, 0 and 2. Now what did I used to always say? Adla badli, switch places. And now these 2 elephants have played enough in this park. Now they are coming to this park to play. So what does it become now? 2 and 0, right? 2 and 0. So we have the combination of 3 combination of numbers, right? When 2 ka, I used to always say the next number comes no. For 2, answer will be always 3. So 2 and 0 is one combination we get. 0 and 2, another 2 combination. The third one is 1 and 1. So we are done with this. Now we come to number 3. Now children, I have got 3 elephants. Now the mother has also joined them. So let the 2 be here and the mama has come to look for them and she is also joined the park. Okay, the same park now. So what is this number become? 3 plus 0. What will come? What will you get? 3. Okay. So we have got 3 plus 0. 3. Now all of them. Now the mother decides to go to the next park. Okay. So the mother has gone here. So what? The 3. How did we put it? 2 and 1. We get 3. Okay. So now earlier we had 3 and 0. 3. Now they can switch places and what will happen? All the 3 elephant will go to the other park. So this becomes 0 and 3. Now the mother elephant has come to this park. So it has become 1 and 2, 3. Now the 2 elephants have come to this park and mother has gone to the other park. They have switched places. Numbron ki adla badli I used to call. Now that becomes to what? Now it is 2 plus 1. So 3 will have 4 answers. 3 and 0. 0 and 3. 2 and 1. 1 and 2 we've got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got the addition facts of 3 now. We have done addition facts of 3. Now let's go to the addition fact of 4. Now let's put away the elephants. Let me bring some matchboxes for you. 4 matchboxes. Okay. Now put the elephants away and we got 4 matchboxes. So all of them are in one place now. So what number is it? You know how, what number will it be? 4 plus nothing, 0. So 4 plus 0 is 4. Now numbron ki adla badli. We go down to this. 0 and 4 becomes 4. Now we will make one of it come to this side. We'll exchange, just put 1. 1 and 3. Again 4. See the magic. Now again adla badli is to say na, switch places. Now 3 and 1 is also 4. Now we have got 4 combinations already. We got 4 and 0, we made it first. Now this is 3 and 1. Okay, now we made 0 and 4 also नंबरों की अदला बदली. We have also done 1 and 3. Now what is left? 2 and 2. So we got 2 and 2 now. So 4 will have 5 answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 and 0, 0 and 4, 1 and 3, 3 and 1, 2 and 2. Okay, so we got this as the addition facts of 4. Now we will have addition facts of 5. For 5 children, I have again got 5 matchboxes now. So we have 5 and 0. Now नंबरों की अदला बदली 0 and 5. Now we'll put 2 to the other side. So 2 and 3. And now we'll switch places. 3 will go here. 2 will come here. 3 and 2. Now what is left? 1 and 4. And again नंबरों की अदला बदली 4 and 1. Now we'll get 1 and 4. 1 plus 4. That also gives you 5. See? 5 and 0. 0 and 5. 2 and 3. 3 and 2. 1 and 4. And 4 and 1. So again we have got this also as the addition facts of 5. So you can just revise all that I put in this also. See, addition facts of 1 is 0 and 1. 1 and 0 and 0 and 1. Addition fact of 2, 2 and 0, 0, 2, 1, 1. Okay, addition fact of 3, 3 and 0, 0, 3, 1, 2 and 2, 1. And 4, 4 and 0, 0 and 4, 2 and 2, 1 and 3 and 1. Now we got all this and we did the addition facts of 5 also. And we shall do the addition facts of 6 now. 5 also we have done. Now let us do the 6. So I'll take away all this and I'm going to do the addition facts of 6 with you. Okay. Now I've removed all this and I'll put this for you to see so that you can see these addition facts of 1 to 5. So far we have done 1 to 5, no? So we'll do this. And we are going to do 6, addition fact of 6 now. Okay, we have done already 5 and 6 will have how many answers? 7 answers. 6 will have 7 answers. So for 6 children, I am going to bring. School में तो the children are standing. No, nowadays now the children are not there. What do? I have to keep on looking for something new. So I have got my 6 pairs of earrings. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what is this? 6 and 0. Now let's go to Adla Badli. Adla Badli is all the earrings are coming back to this one, this place. Now it has become 0 and 6. Okay. Now we'll take away only 1 and put it here. Then what happens? 1 and 5. Now again Adla Badli. So all of them are going there. The 1 is coming here. Okay. The rest all went. But it is the same, no? Number is the same, only switching places. See, 1, 1, 5, 5. They are only changing places. So, we have got now 5 and 1. Now, we need the next one. After 1, I told you, you'll have to look for 2. Now, after 1, 2. 2 plus what gives you 6. So, now we get to 2 and then we'll put 4 here. Okay. So we got 2 and 4, also 6. Now again Adla Badli, 4 and 2, 4 and 2. Now we'll have 4 and 2. Okay, every time we know that we have to do Adla Badli, no? We have to switch places, otherwise We will not get addition facts. 4 and 2. Then the last one is 3 and 3. After 2 what comes? 3. So 3 and 3. So equal, right? 3 plus 3. So now you got addition facts of 6 also, children. Now we will do addition facts of 7. I am doing it a little fast because you've already done it in class 1. No, you've all done it with me and we have played it there. Now we have 7 rubber bands. So I've taken 7 rubber bands for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now it is what will happen? We're going to do 7 and 8. Okay. So I put 7 here already. 7 and 0 will always start with 0 first. No. After 0, 1 will come, then 2 will come, 3. So 7 and 0. Okay. 7 and 0. Then again, adla badli. We'll just change the part now. Okay. Then this becomes 0 and 7. 0 and 7. Now it's 1 and 6. So we'll put 1 here. So this becomes 1 and 6. Now adla badli, switching places. Now I'll put switching places like this. Okay. 6 and 1. Now we got 6 and 1. Then now we need next after 6, backward counting if you go, it will be 5. So let's take away 1 more from this. 5 and 2. Now adla badli, 2 and 5. Okay, 2 and 5 also gives you 7. Then we have 4 and 3. So now we'll take away 1 more from this. No. Okay, 4 and 3. Okay, now they switch places. They will become 3 and 4. So you got the addition facts of 7. Now we shall go to 8. For the 8, I have got you my bangles. Okay, for 8 I have got bangles. So there are 8 pairs, 8 bangles. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bangles are there. 8 and 0, we'll start with 8 and 0. Now it will be adla badli time, 0 and 8. Right. Now after that it will be 1 and 7. So we will take away 1 and put it here. So that becomes 1 and 7. Now adla badli again, 7. Okay, that is 1 and 7. Now adla badli, 7 and 1. Now we'll make this to 6. So we'll take away 1, right, to make it to 6. Now what happens? 6 and 2. Again adla badli becomes 2 and 6. Okay. And then we'll take away 1 from this and put it here. Okay. Okay. So we have 5 and 3. But now this will become 5 and 3. And the next one 3 and 5. Now adla badli 3 and 5. And then we'll put 1 here to make it equal. 4 and 4. 4 and 4 is also 8. So remember children, I told you 8 will always have only 9 answers. So we got 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 9 will have how many answers? 10. So now I'll go to 9 and 10. Okay, we'll do 9 and 10 now. And then we'll stop here. And then I will tell you, we'll be doing one worksheet in the PDF form, which is how to convert the same thing into, that I'll come back to you later. Okay, now we'll do 9 first. 9. Okay, for 9, my favorite rajmas I'm going to get for you. Okay, so we'll take out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I think I've got 9. Okay, we've got 9 and 0. 9 and 0. then adla badli 0 and 9. Okay, then we have 1 and 8, so we'll put away 1 here. 1 and 8. Now adla badli 8 and 1. So simple, no? Addition is so simple. If you learn like this, you'll never need to, and you don't have to go and say 1 plus 8 more. You don't need it. You don't need to do your counting. 1 and 8 and 8 and 1. Now we have 2 and 7. So we'll put 2 here and we'll put away all this. So 2 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 and 7. Then we'll have adla badli 7 and 2. Right. Now the next is 3 and 6. So we'll take away 1 from here and put it here. So that actually is 6 and 3. We have 6 and 3 and 3 and 6. Okay. Now the next one, we'll put one more to this side. So it will become 4 and 5 and adla badli 5 and 4. And the last one is, oh, this is the last one. So we have 9 ka 10 answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? And now we'll do the last one is 10. How many 10s? So I will take away one more rajma. Okay? And make it to 10. 10 rajma seeds are there. So we have 10 and 0. Adla badli 0 and 10. Then we'll have 1 and 9. Then adla badli 9 and 1. Then we have 2 and 8. You know, after 1 it will be 2. So let's just put away 2. 2 and 8, but this is 8 and 2. So we can do it 2 and 8 like this and 8 and 2 like this. We have 2 and 8, 8 and 2. Then we'll put one more to this side. So that it becomes 3. And where, how much is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 3. And if you do adla badli, it will become 3 and 7. Now the next is to make it to 4. So we'll make this into 4. 4 and 5 adla badli, 4 and 6, 4 and 6 adla badli 6 and 4. Now we'll make this to 5. So we have 5 and 5, 10. That's it. So we have 11 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Remember, I used to always say, whichever number we are talking about, the answer will be one number more than that. So 10 will always have 11 and 11 will have 12. 12 will have 13. So now we have done all the addition facts. You know how to make it. Children, very simple. What I'll look at 10 and tell you. First we start with 10. 10 and 0, 0, 10. Then after 0 what number comes? 1. So we'll write 1 here. And then we'll think 1 के साथ क्या जोड़ने से हमें 10 मिलता है, हम सोचते हैं फिर, है ना. And when we are doing with rajma seeds or things, we are able to see how we are able to make this different combinations of